remember mine walking into DPS for the first time with my mom, carrying my bag and my water bottle. I cried on my first day, or maybe I didn't. A teacher who held my hand tightly that made me feel happy, secure, and safe. So, do you have any memories? Your favorite subject, even if sometimes puts you to sleep.
It's surely gonna be maths. One word to describe your school life overall.
Roller coaster. If you could skip one period forever, which one would it
Social studies, but no offense. Well, subjects that seemed impossible at first but became fun later.
be? Hands down it's maths, but thanks to PT ma'am. Fun period. What would you add to the timetable?
It will surely be life skills workshop or free interaction time.
Well, I've always been one of those students who actually listens when the teacher says, pay attention. I wasn't a topper, but I was definitely the one who reminded the teacher of the homework and secretly regretted it later. I always loved sitting in the front row, not because I was extra smart, but because I could not see the board from the back. School life was full of fun, friends, and few oops moments. And today we are here to share some of our best and slightly embarrassing memories. Welcome to our podcast, Our School Life, the fun, the favorites, and the fights. I am Anvisha Jhunjhunwala from grade 9.
And I am Yashashvi Baheti from grade 9. We are here to talk about how school life really looks like. Not the exact dreamy version you see in movies, but the real, fun, unforgettable, and messy one.
Exactly. So, let's start with something everyone remembers.
Okay?
Our first day of school. I still remember mine walking into DPS for the first time with my mom, carrying my bag and my water bottle. I cried on my first day, or maybe I didn't. I don't remember. But what I do remember is a teacher who held my hand tightly that made me feel happy, secure, and safe. So, do you have any memories of your first day of school?
My first day of school, my first day of school is a little hazy memory for me, but I still remember walking through the gates of DPS carrying a backpack that was probably bigger than me, and stepping into the classroom, seeing my classmates, my teachers, and that was everything so big and new. But I was amazed by the way my teacher comforted me and made me okay. So, Anvesha, since we have discussed about our first day of school, I'm sure you enjoyed your early school days also.
Yeah, for sure.
So, was there this moment that you could relive from your early school days?
Well, my early school days were a lot of fun. There are many memories that I want to relive, but if I had to relive one moment, that would be my lunch breaks, for sure.
Yes.
We treated them like food festivals, everyone showing off their lunch boxes like MasterChef contestants. I still remember my one friend, I don't want to take her name.
Okay.
She always forgot her spoon but never forgot to eat my lunch box. Well, school was fun, full of memories.
Yes.
And when I think of those days, I feel like smiling. Life was so good, full of fun, friends, and food.
Yes.
So, okay, now like we have talked about my early school days. So now we can like talk about your middle school days, like the period from classes
Yes.
4 to 6. So, how was your journey from a fourth grader to a sixth grader?
The middle school for classes 4 to 6, they were honestly unforgettable. I really enjoyed them. That was the time when school started getting more exciting. There were new subjects to deal with. I made new friends, and that's when I gained a little bit of confidence also. You know, there were many crazy moments that
Yes.
every day was some had its own story. You know, you remember those group projects that ended in laughter,
Oh my god.
or those small class competitions,
Yes.
and oh my god, those lunch breaks. Swapping sandwiches, tiffins, chocolates, sip of juice. That was a little joy for us.
Good old days.
Yes. And I hope there were some little incidents that you also remember.
Yeah.
Like accidentally bumping into friends into the
Tripping
coordinate.
tripping in the staircase.
Yes. And also copying homework in the last 5 minutes before class. Or forgetting to submit homework and stressing
Oh my
that teacher
God.
should not notice it. That was really scary actually.
Yes.
Saying this feels me nostalgic, but apart this, I think middle school taught me how to deal the life,
Yeah.
friendships and a sense of teamwork also.
Yeah. So now, Yashashvi, see, we were talking about our journey from a tiny toddler to a fourth or sixth grader. Now, see,
Yes.
we are in grade 9 and it's almost over.
Yes, I feel yesterday we were panicking about our first science project, and today it's about our class 9 is about to end.
Yeah. And now we are stepping into grade 10. Such a big number. And whenever I think of grade 10, I see the board exams
Yes.
and a whole lot new level of stress.
Yes, there are going to be new subjects, but what I feel we are going to get new opportunities,
Yes.
and we kind of know how school works now.
Yeah. Now in grade 10, we are going to get new opportunities, new subjects, a whole lot new level of stress. Yes, I'm really excited to
Exactly.
step in grade 10.
Exactly. You know, that is a feeling of nervousness also for board exams.
Yeah.
But there is a thrill feeling also for becoming seniors of the school.
Yes. So, Yashashvi, what's that one thing that or inspiration that keeps you that keeps your motivation going and going?
My motivation, no, that's because I'm surrounded by inspiring people, you know.
Yeah.
But I would choose uh, people who are truly inspiring as the teachers of our school.
Oh, yes.
You know, the moment I enter the school, they start inspiring me exactly from that moment. You know, I feel that they're not just our educators, but they're our guide, they are mentors, and also our motivators.
Yes.
And I really I give a hats off to their patience and determination.
Yes.
Even if you ask them 10 times, they would explain it with the same enthusiasm.
Oh my god, their patience.
Yes, and they really helped me. They don't just teach all that things written in the book,
Yeah.
but they teach us how to face real life challenges or how to deal with things when it gets tougher. I feel they are the real life superheroes.
Yes. True.
So that was all about my inspiration. I wanted to ask you that see, everyone have their own challenges in life.
Yes.
And I'm sure you might also have faced
Yes.
it. So who's that one person who has who has supported you and inspired you to dream bigger?
Well, my inspiration.
Yes.
I think my inspiration is my mom. I
Ah,
have always seen her work very hard without giving up. And whenever I get stuck in a difficult situation, I think of her determination. And that makes my confidence boost. And I feel like, yes, I can do this thing. And she always says that success isn't about being perfect, it's about being consistent and believing in yourself. I think that this is my go-to mantra that helps me survive every day.
Okay, nice. That was really inspiring, by the
Yes.
way.
So now we have talked about so many things: our motivation, inspiration, the journey of a tiny toddler to a ninth grader. So now I think we should look back and see what our school has given us beyond books and exams.
Yes. So for me, school, I really feel school has taught me more than any subject or any exam or even my marks on the report card. What I feel is school has taught me how to deal with people, how to, how to handle pressure like exam stress,
Oh my god.
and also how to be patient, like completing group projects without losing my mind. And those moments that I love, laughing into corridor or
Oh my
cheering
God.
for the friend, panicking before the exam, and the most enjoyable last day of session. That these are the moments I cherish the most.
Yes.
But I should not forget our principal sir or our teachers who have inspired me the most and shaped me into who I am today.
Yes.
So, Anvesha, I'm sure you might also carry your own memories with your school since since very old. So, what is your opinion on this?
Yes. Looking back, my school has given me more than just academics.
Okay.
Like it taught me resilience, teamwork,
Hmm.
discipline, and
True.
that one bad mark is in the end of the world, right?
Correct.
And I would also like to thank our principal sir for coming and joining DPS. And and his enthusiasm and teamwork has brought so many changes in Delhi Public School. I feel like he has given DPS a new life, and school
Yes.
feels more alive than ever.
True.
And I wish I could meet my younger self and tell her that you are going to love it and it's going to be okay.
Yes, that's really true. DPS has done a lot for us.
Yes.
So it's already too late, right?
Yeah.
So before we wrap up, let's do something different.
Yeah. We could do something fun and quick. Whatever comes to your mind, just say that.
Okay then, no pressure, but let's do rapid fire questions.
Yeah, why not? I have prepared some questions for you here.
Okay.
Let's start. Your favorite subject, even if sometimes puts you to sleep.
It's surely gonna be maths.
If you could skip one period forever, which one would it be?
Social studies, but no offense.
Your go-to excuse when you forget homework.
I left it on my desk at home.
If school had one fun period, what would you add to the timetable?
It would surely be life skills workshop
Ooh.
or free interaction time.
Great.
By the way, Anvesha, I have also prepared some questions for you.
Ooh.
Okay. So, what is your favorite sport in school that makes you feel happiest?
Playground.
Okay. One word to describe your school life overall.
Roller coaster.
Good. Subject that seemed impossible at first but became fun later.
Hands down, it's maths, but thanks to Preeti ma'am.
Your 5 favorite school teachers.
Ekta ma'am, Ranjana ma'am, Manisha ma'am, Preetam sir,
Okay.
and Vinay sir.
That's 5. Okay, so that was a small peek into our school life, and I think our conversation proved that school does not teach us what's in the textbook, but teaches us real life experiences. So, whoever listening to this, treasure your school days, enjoy them, laugh with your friends, and don't forget to create endless memories. And here's something I've heard that perfectly
Yeah.
fits with today's theme. School days may be over, but the memories last forever.
Yes.
Until next time, this is me, Yashashvi Baheti,
And this is me, Anvesha Jhunjhunwala,
signing off with joy.
and positivity.